Essay on importance of joint family. Joint family की अहमियत. Family means परिवार. A joint family is a large family where the grandparents, father, mother, uncle, auntie and their children live united under one roof. There are many advantages of joint families. We get complete support of family members whenever needed. Whenever means जब कभी और needed यानी कि ज़रूरत होती है. Joint family, as the name says, is the joining of many families. Children are the most obedient and cultural in a joint family. In a joint family, each and every person will share their opinions and take a good decision. Decision यानी कि फैसला करना और opinion अपनी राय देना. Children learn many things from their grandparents, uncle, aunts and other family members. In the joint family, all members are equally sharing all expenses and works. So the burden of work will not be felt by any single person. Burden यानी कि बोझ, equally यानी कि बराबर. On the event of big occasions like marriage, birthdays, engagements, etc., the work can easily be shared with all members so that the event will be successful. In a joint family, children learn to adjust and share things with their siblings, which will help them in future. The feeling of togetherness and selflessness is the essence of joint family. The only drawback of joint family is that you don't get that much freedom and privacy as you can get in nuclear family. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.